guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I will be going into really icy looking setup. I will be playing around with ostrich feathers and it's gonna be so beautiful, so whimsical, so winter-like. Cannot wait to construct this one. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Also, don't forget about my Amazon storefront where I list all of my products that I use for my YouTube videos. I will leave a link for my Amazon storefront in the description under this video as well. Without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I am planning to work with today. I am working with Calisan balloons. I bought them a while ago. They've been laying on my shelf waiting its turn, and today is the day. So my main color is this mirror silver color. I have different sizes here: 18, 12, 5, and 24-inch balloons. I also will be using this mirror space gray in different sizes as well: 24, 5, 18, and 12-inch balloons. I am planning on using orbs balloons in different sizes and some ostrich feathers. All right, time to inflate our balloons. I am starting with my silver mirror color. I am grabbing my 11-inch balloons and inflating them into different sizes. Something like this. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's a little bit smaller. Now these balloons kind of looking kind of like a pear shape and looking more elongated than round. The next step is totally up to you. If you like your balloons to be like this, skip it. If you want your balloons to be more on the rounder side, then press your balloons against the table, floor, yourself, and here you'll have a little bit more of a rounded balloon. Then tie two balloons together into a pair. Next pair, I will be inflating my 18-inch balloons. Putting them against the table and tying them again. Let's inflate two more pairs of balloons and I'll show you how I cluster my clusters. I am ready to cluster my balloons. I am using 4 pairs of balloons to create bigger cluster of balloons. I love to use bigger clusters of balloons in the base of my balloon garland, in the base of any balloon installations that I am creating. Why? Because bigger clusters of balloons have more balloons in it and it will give me instant volume. I will spend less time filling in that base and creating fullness to the base. I also love to use at least one balloon in 18, 17, or 16-inch balloons. Why? Because again, 16, 17, 18-inch balloons will give me more volume in my clusters in my base when I'll connect them together, and it will give me more variety of balloons and it will give me more on an organic look. So I am grabbing 2 pairs of balloons and intertwining them together nice and tight so nothing's gonna unwind and go places. Adding one more pair and our last 4th one adding in. And voila, we have a beautiful looking bigger cluster of balloons. I will be repeating that a few more times to get enough clusters to create what I am planning for, and also I will be creating smaller clusters of balloons. So what are smaller clusters of balloons? Smaller clusters of balloons, 4 pairs of balloons combined together into a cluster, and I will be also creating quads. Quads are 2 pairs of balloons combined together. Why I like smaller clusters of balloons and quads? Quads are great for that spot filler to give more detail into your balloon garland, and smaller clusters of balloons are great for building up more volume on sides of the balloon garlands, on the garland, anywhere. So this is what I'm doing. I will be doing exactly the same thing with my mirror space gray. Let's go, let's inflate, let's have fun. You guys, inflating balloons is my least favorite part of this whole process. That's it. Are inflated and I am ready to construct something beautiful out of them. I really want to use this trio over here that I bought from Etsy not too long ago because I feel like they will fit into this design idea that I have very well. One thing that I can tell you, they don't worth the money that you will be paying for them. Poor quality. I tried to make them work. I tried to flip pieces, twist pieces, didn't work. They are extremely crooked. Some of the pieces, they don't fit properly, no matter how hard I would try to push them down and screw them together, nothing works. In real life, they look much worse than on camera or on pictures, because once I put balloons, they kind of hide all the flaws, and I'm trying to make the rest of the frame look as best as it can look in this situation. So not worth your money. Look for another seller, look for another website. I don't know, try something different. Do not purchase exactly what I have. I want you guys to have the best and not waste your money on something that will be so wobbly and poor quality. So let's return to balloons. Before I'll start to assemble this setup, you'll see different variations of me, differently dressed, different hairstyles, because I'm filming this video little by little each day. So that's why. Going back to our frames, I really want to build something on this pipe right here and probably take balloons through this smaller frame and take it to the side and blow it up on the side. So what I'm doing is I am grabbing bigger cluster of balloons and I am literally locking these balloons on the pipe by crossing balloons over the pipe. Doing this until I will be happy with the height of my balloon garland. Top of my balloon garland, I don't want to use a bigger cluster of balloons because a bigger cluster of balloons will give me a lot of volume. I don't need a lot of volume over here. I want to make this balloon garland a little bit thinner at the top, so I am grabbing smaller cluster of balloons, putting it here, and then grabbing a quad of balloons and finishing off this balloon garland just like that. Next up, we'll be taking more clusters of balloons, connecting through this frame over here and taking it outside, add more balloons over here, and kind of take this whole balloon garland to the side. Let me quickly show you how I do this with one of my quads. So I am grabbing next from my balloons, next from other cluster of my balloons, and starting to tie the necks together with one knot. Then when you have your neck stretched, I am bringing my necks of balloons to the very top and again tying a knot. That way I found that my balloons, 5-inch balloons, are sitting nice and tight together. I am tying a double knot. Play around with them, fix it, and this is your miniature balloon garland out of 5-inch balloons. I had 2 styrofoam balls laying around. With serrated knife, I cut an opening, and now I want to fit this ball right on top of my frame. This way I can insert a whole bunch of ostrich feathers and create something really beautiful and awesome with them. So let's do that. How I arranged these feathers and these flowers in this section of my balloon garland. I simply used a larger size styrofoam ball. I sprayed it gray and I put a whole bunch of glitter. As you can see, it's shimmering, and I used them years back for one of the gatherings that I was decorating for. It was very, very beautiful. So I want to use one more styrofoam ball and create one more kind of like a feather arrangement and put it on the side of the chair to have more wow factor. Before I'll end this video, I quickly wanted to show you this setup without any additional filming lights or any uplighting. You guys, it looks stunning. It looks so beautiful. It looks so icy. It looks so wintry like, and these feathers, they remind me of snow. I'm just loving the whole thing. I will list and link everything in the description under this video. Also, I will leave a link of my Amazon storefront where I list everything always, and I update that website pretty often, so check it out. These white flowers that I used, I bought them 2 years back from At Home store, so I will try to find something similar and link it for you. Also, these feathers came from Amazon as well. They will be linked too. As I was walking out of my filming room, I forgot that I brought these stands from my storage. I made them myself a while ago. I simply took a stair spindle or deck spindle, grabbed some bases, screwed everything together, and covered everything in glitter. I use these stands for centerpieces for the tables with those styrofoam balls and a whole bunch of ostrich feathers on them. I will link that video below as well. Be warned, that video is extremely old and I barely knew what I was doing. So just to give you an idea what else you can do with those ostrich feathers. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring, and I hope it was fun to watch. If it was, you guys, like usual, like I always say, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They will help me more than you would think, and I will appreciate every single one of them. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out and answer every single one of them. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for more videos and great ideas, and I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!